Hey celebrity aficionados and history buffs. Ever wondered which stars share a cosmic connection with October 19? From legendary musicians to blockbuster filmmakers and some wild celebrity twists, this date has it all. So grab your popcorn, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into 20 mind-blowing celebrity events that make October 19 a star-studded day to remember. Number 20. On October 19, 1962, Evander Holyfield was born. The boxing legend turns 62 today, still packing a punch and probably the only guy who can say he went ear to ear with Mike Tyson. Number 19. October 19, 1966, saw the birth of Jon Favreau. Turning 58, this actor-director gave us Iron Man and Baby Yoda. Talk about having a Favreau-lous career. Number 18. On October 19, 1969, Trey Parker was born. The South Park co-creator turns 55 today, still keeping it animated and probably plotting something hilariously inappropriate as we speak. Number 17. Jane Dujardin entered the world on October 19, 1972. The suave French actor turns 52. From the artist to being an actual Oscar winner, c'est magnifique. Number 16. Born on October 19, 1940, the late Michael Gambon would have turned 84 today. Our beloved Dumbledore might have left us, but his magic lives on at Hogwarts. Number 15. On October 19, 1931, spy novelist John le Carré was born. He passed away at 89, but his thrilling tales still keep us turning pages and suspecting our neighbors. Number 14. Reggae legend Peter Tosh was born on October 19, 1944. He died at 42, but his music continues to legalize it across generations. Number 13. Satirist Jonathan Swift died on October 19, 1745, at 77. The man who took us to Lilliput left big shoes to fill, or was it tiny ones? Number 12. On October 19, 1987, brilliant cellist Jacqueline Dupre died at 42. She made the cello sing like a rock star, strings attached, of course. Number 11. October 19, 2001, saw the release of From Hell starring Johnny Depp. Nothing says date night like a Jack the Ripper thriller, right? Number 10. On October 19, 2007, Ben Affleck made his directorial debut with Gone Baby Gone. Turns out Batman can direct too. Who knew? Number 9. The iconic Sydney Opera House was opened by Queen Elizabeth II on October 19, 1973. The Queen said, "Let there be opera," and Australia sang. Number 8. On October 19, 2020, actor Jeff Bridges announced his lymphoma diagnosis. At 74, the dude abides and fights on, sending good vibes, man. Number 7. Michael Messi, the actor involved in the tragic accident that killed Brandon Lee, died on October 19, 2016, at 64, a somber footnote in Hollywood history. Number 6. On October 19, 1994, legendary actor Burt Lancaster died at 80. From here to eternity to hereafter, his legacy is eternal. Number 5. Hockey superstar Maurice "Rocket" Richards scored his 500th goal on October 19, 1957. Blasting pucks like rockets, space program. Who? Number 4. Guitarist Glenn Buxton of the Alice Cooper Band died on October 19, 1997, at 49. Rock lost a riff master, but the school's still out forever. Number 3. On October 19, 2019, actor Bill Macy of Maude fame died at 97. He proved you could make him laugh for nearly a century. Number 2. Mother Teresa was beatified on October 19, 2003. A celebrity of compassion, she got a fast track to sainthood. Talk about divine recognition. Number 1. And finally, on October 19, 1973, The Who released their rock opera, Quadrophenia. They sure knew how to rock the boat, or the scooter. Thanks for joining us on this star-studded journey through October 19. If these celebrity tidbits tickled your fancy, or if you just love being the most interesting person at parties, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Share this video with your friends, and let's keep the celeb history train rolling. After all, who needs a time machine when you've got us?